Both men and women are affected by decreased libido. Whether it's age or underlying health conditions, roughly 32% of women and 15% of men lack the desire to have sex on a regular basis. When it comes to boosting your libido, all you need are the right foods to help you get back in the mood. To help you out, we at Dherbs have outlined some tips and tricks for you. This week, we're covering the top 5 foods that naturally increase your libido. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, bananas. Bananas contain bromelain, which is an enzyme that helps to reverse impotence in men and naturally increase the libido. Additionally, bananas are great sources of potassium and B vitamins, which help to boost overall energy levels. Number 2, cloves. Men in India have been using cloves to help treat sexual dysfunction for centuries. According to the study in the Journal of BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine, clove extract helped to boost sexual activity in male rats. Cloves can also help you get rid of bad breath, which can't hurt your love life. You can also combine the use of cloves with nutmeg or saffron for more libido-boosting benefits. Number 3, vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C is one of the most important nutrients when it comes to collagen production, which naturally declines with age. The fact that your skin may not be as firm can make it difficult for men to maintain an erection and may lead to looser vaginal walls in women. Boost collagen levels by eating vitamin C-rich foods like kiwis, bell peppers, parsley, Brussels sprouts, guava, or citrus fruits. Number 4, ginseng. A research study on ginseng was conducted to test its libido-boosting properties. The women in the study took ginseng for 1 month, and 68% experienced dramatic improvement in their sex lives and libido. It's best to drink ginseng tea as opposed to drinking energy drinks that claim to have ginseng. You don't want the extra chemicals and sugar from energy drinks, which can decrease your sex drive. At Dherbs, we have tons of products that include ginseng as an ingredient. Feel free to check out our products like Jackrabbit or our energy formula at our website, dherbs.com. Number 5, watermelon. If you're looking to naturally boost your libido with a refreshing food, start eating watermelon. Although it is 92% water, the remaining 8% of nutrients are essential for sexual health. Watermelons contain citrulline, a phytonutrient that the body converts to arginine, which helps to boost nitric oxide levels in the body and relax blood vessels. This is essentially what erectile dysfunction medications do. For both sexes, increasing the libido can often mean that lifestyle changes need to be made. That's all for this week. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next week for another Dherbs Weekly Top 5.